acceleration. Definition of acceleration is rate of change of velocity with time is called acceleration. Acceleration is vector quantities and SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Next question. What is uniform acceleration? What is uniform acceleration? If a body travel in a straight line, or increase in a velocity equal amount in an equal interval of time is called uniform acceleration. Again I repeat, if a body travel in a straight line and velocity increase equal amount in an equal interval of time is called uniform acceleration. Its graph is also a straight line. You see this graph. Okay. Next question is, what is non-uniform acceleration? I repeat the question. What is a non-uniform acceleration? If a body travel in a straight line, and velocity increase unequal amount in an equal interval of time may be small or large, is called non-uniform acceleration. Its graph is U-shape or opposite of U-shape or zigzag shape. It's not a straight line. ठीक है, टेढ़ी लाइन हो सकती है, U shape हो सकता है. It's called the non-uniform acceleration. Next question is, what is average velocity? The formula of average velocity is U plus V by 2. U plus V divided by 2. Initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. It's called the average velocity. Next question is, what is the average speed? What is average speed? Total distance travel upon total time taken. Average speed का होता है formula total distance travel upon total time taken. Okay, I hope कि आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा. I also explained some formula of equation of motion जैसे कहते हैं. तो there is a three equation of motion. First equation of motion is V equal to U plus AT. First equation is V equal to U plus AT. This is called the first equation of motion. Next, second equation of motion, S equal to ut plus half AT square. I repeat, S equal to ut plus half AT square. Third equation of motion is V square equal to U square plus 2as. Here, what is U, what is V, what is T, what is S, what is A? U is the initial velocity of the body. V is the final velocity of the body. T is the time taken, and A is the acceleration of a body, and S is the distance traveled by body. Okay? Thank you for watching video. If you are new or visiting first time in our channels, so then you like and subscribe our channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching video.